7 habits that drain your time and money. Years ago, we made a life-changing choice. We stopped ordering drinks at restaurants. Initially, this was a financial decision. With our family expanding, dining costs were rising, and after an especially expensive meal, we pinpointed the culprit, those sneaky sodas. Paying extra for sugary drinks that damage our health is a lose-lose scenario. You're spending more money for less health benefit. So, if you're seeking a way to cut costs and improve your health, consider making this change. The satisfaction when the bill is lower feels like a small victory. 1. Ordering drinks at restaurants. As mentioned earlier, choosing water over soda at restaurants saves money and protects your health. It's a no-brainer. When you consider the cumulative savings over time, it's astonishing. Imagine redirecting those funds towards a family vacation or a savings account for future needs. Plus, the health benefits are clear. Reduced sugar intake lowers the risk of obesity, diabetes, and other health issues. It's a minor change with significant long-term rewards. 2. Engaging in social media arguments. Have you ever found yourself caught up in a social media argument? It's a pure waste of time. These disputes never resolve anything, distract you from your surroundings, and can ruin your mood for the rest of the day. Why waste time on something with no winners? Instead, direct that energy into more productive activities, like spending quality time with loved ones or getting lost in a good book. Your peace of mind is worth more than proving a point online. 3. Eating out for lunch. Always advocate for bringing lunch from home or going back home for a quick meal. Eating out daily is another classic lose-lose. It's costly over time and often not the healthiest choice. Preparing meals at home allows you to control ingredients and portion sizes, ensuring a balanced diet. Additionally, the time spent cooking can be a relaxing ritual, a moment to unwind and be present. Consider meal prepping to make the process even more efficient. 4. Spending on harmful habits. Money spent on harmful habits or addictions not only depletes your wallet, but also your time and self-control. Worse, it can cost you the people you love most. Consider the long-term impact on your health and relationships. Breaking free from these habits can be challenging, but the emotional and financial freedom is well worth the effort. Seek support if needed and celebrate small victories along the way. 5. Overspending on Christmas gifts. We've all been there, piling gifts under the tree until the room seems to burst. But overspending during the holidays causes stress, sets unrealistic expectations for kids, and if debt is involved, stress lingers long after the celebrations. Less is more, especially during the festive season. Focus on creating memorable experiences rather than amassing material possessions. A heartfelt note or a shared activity can mean more than the most extravagant gift. 6. Watching too much television. Time lost to TV represents the opportunity cost of doing something more fulfilling. Additionally, it shapes our consumption habits and perceptions of reality. Reducing TV time might be the best habit change you can make. Explore hobbies, exercise, or spend time outdoors to enrich your life. The benefits extend beyond saving time. They enhance your mental and physical well-being, fostering a more active and engaged lifestyle. 7. Purchasing souvenirs on every trip. We stopped buying souvenirs when we embraced minimalism. It's liberating. No more stress over shopping on trips, more time for activities, and less packing hassle. Our phones capture the memories just fine. Instead of cluttering your home with trinkets, focus on the experiences and stories you collect along the way. Share these moments with friends and family, and you'll find they hold far more value than any physical object ever could. In today's world, lose-lose situations are commonplace, often accepted as the norm. However, by being more discerning, we can lead more intentional, fulfilling lives. What lose-lose habits are you ready to eliminate? Embrace change, and watch as your life becomes richer in ways you never imagined. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. All things simple.